In a single working day, inside a heavily guarded building, a machine turns blank metal discs into $100 million in finished coins. Not in a week, in about 8 hours. And almost every single coin comes out flawless. How is that even possible? Stay with me, because the process is faster, stranger, and far more precise than you'd ever imagine. Let's start with a number that's hard to believe. A modern coin press can strike hundreds, sometimes thousands of coins every single minute. Multiply that across a full shift, and the output reaches into the millions of coins. The total value runs into the hundreds of millions of dollars. And the wildest part? This happens with a precision so extreme that flaws are measured in tiny fractions. So, how does raw metal become perfect money this fast? It begins with something that looks like nothing at all. It begins with a blank, a plain round metal disc with no design, no value, no markings. Just a smooth piece of metal called a planchette. These blanks are punched out of huge metal strips, thousands at a time, like cookies cut from dough. At this stage, they are worthless. But they're about to go on an incredible journey. First, the blanks have to be cleaned, because any dirt or grease would ruin the final coin. They're tumbled and washed until they shine. Then comes a clever step most people never think about: the edges. Each blank is run through a machine that raises a small rim around the edge. This rim isn't decoration. It protects the coin's design from wear and makes the coins stack neatly. A tiny detail engineered on purpose. Now comes the moment everything has been building toward: the striking. The blank is fed into a coin press, where it's hit by engraved dies with tremendous force, pressing the design into both sides of the coin at exactly the same instant. The pressure involved is enormous, many tons of force, crushing the design into the metal in a fraction of a second. In that single strike, a worthless disc becomes money. The portrait, the lettering, the numbers, the fine details, all appear instantly, perfectly formed. And here's what makes it almost magical. The press does this hundreds of times per minute. Coin after coin after coin, each one struck with the same crushing precision. The dies are engineered so exactly that every coin comes out nearly identical to the last. This is mass production at a level of accuracy that would have seemed impossible a century ago. But speed creates a problem. When you're making coins this fast, mistakes can slip through. A coin struck off-center, a double strike, a flaw in the metal. So how do they keep the quality perfect? The answer is relentless inspection. As the coins pour out, automated systems and trained inspectors check them constantly. High-speed cameras and sensors scan for any imperfection, any coin that doesn't match the standard. The flawed ones are pulled out and sent back to be melted down and recycled. Nothing imperfect is allowed to escape. That's the real secret behind the word flawless. It's not that mistakes never happen. It's that they're caught and destroyed before they ever reach you. The coins that pass inspection move on to counting and bagging. And just like in every part of this world, the accounting here is obsessive. Every single coin is counted. The metal that goes in must match the coins that come out. This is money after all, and not a single disc can simply go missing. The finished coins are counted by machine, bagged in precise amounts, sealed and prepared for distribution to banks. From there, they travel out into the world, into cash registers, vending machines, and eventually your pocket. Now step back and think about the full journey. A blank, worthless metal disc is cleaned, given a rim, struck with many tons of force, inspected for perfection, counted, and bagged, all at a speed that produces $100 million in coins in a single working day. It's one of the most impressive manufacturing processes on the planet, hidden away inside secure facilities most people will never see. But here's the thought that matters most. Why all this effort? Why such extreme precision for something as ordinary as a coin? Because every coin is a promise. It only works because everyone trusts that it's real, that it's genuine, that it holds its value. the perfect striking, the rim, the relentless inspection, all of it exists to protect that trust. The moment you can't trust the coin in your hand, it becomes nothing but a piece of metal. So in a very real sense, these machines aren't just minting coins. They're minting trust, $100 million of it, in a single day. If watching worthless metal turn into perfect money fascinated you even half as much as it fascinates me, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And if you want to understand how money is really made, moved, and protected beneath everything you thought you knew, I've put together a clear and simple guide, linked in the description below. Subscribe to Bullion Lab, where we take you inside how the most valuable things on Earth are made, protected, and moved. Because once you see how money is really made, you'll never look at the coins in your pocket the same way again.